Objects that shine in the night sky are known as blank. Answer is option B, celestial bodies. Which of the following is called hypo? Answer is option D, sodium thiosulfate. Between which river Bisht Doab situated? Answer is option C, Byas and Satluj. Which of the following rhythm instruments is used in the Swang folk dance? Answer is option A, Mridang. The compressibility factor for an ideal gas is? Answer is option C, 1.0. If the amount of water vapor in the air is high, then the rate of evaporation is blank. Answer is option A, will decrease. What is also known as acute encephalitis syndrome? Answer is option D, Chamki fever. Which leader gave us CR formula? Answer is option B, C. Rajgopalachari. Borax is the ore of which of the following metal? Answer is option C, sodium. By which name is our country mentioned in the Constitution? Answer is option C, India and Bharat. The book Beyond 2020, A Vision for Tomorrow has been authored by blank. Answer is option A, APJ Abdul Kalam. In which year Khudai Khidmatgar was established? Answer is option D, 1929. Which of the following waves are used for communication with geostationary satellites? Answer is option B, microwaves. Which of the following city is situated on the bank of Hindon River? Answer is option D, Ghaziabad. Which is the largest Indian site of Indus Valley civilization? Answer is option A, Rakhi Garhi. Which Buddhist temple was built by Raja Raja I at the port of Nagapattinam? Answer is option C, Chudamani Vihara. Time period of Paleolithic age is? Answer is option B, 5 lakh to 10,000 BC. How many members are there in the Business Advisory Committee of Rajya Sabha? Answer is option A, 11. What was the 97th Constitutional Amendment Act related to? Answer is option A, protection to cooperative societies. Under which category of kingdom classification are single called eukaryotes placed? Answer is option D, Protista. Which law describes the flow of fluid through a porous medium? Answer is option C, Darcy's law. What type of bonds are the amino acids in protein associated with? Answer is option B, peptide bond. Which was the first product of India announced under the GI tag? Answer is option D, Darjeeling tea. Vishnupad temple in Gaya, which is situated on the banks of river Phalgu, was built by? Answer is option B, Rani Ahilyabai. Ayushman Bharat Divas is celebrated on which day? Answer is option C, 30 April. What does a Lagrangian description of fluid flow provide? Answer is option B, position of a fluid particle at every time instant. Which is the element with the smallest nucleus? Answer is option A, helium. Which of the following trophy cup is associated with badminton? Answer is option C, Uber Cup. Which disease is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B3? Answer is option D, pellagra. World Diabetes Day is observed every year on which day? Answer is option B, 14 November. Who was the first Indian to receive the Raman Magsaysay Award for contribution to community leadership? Answer is option D, Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Which is the article of the Constitution of India in which the Comptroller and Auditor General of India is mentioned? Answer is option A, Article 148. Which of the following elements were not found in the form of archaeological remains from Kalibanga? Answer is option D, couple burial. Which ruler of Bengal gave a part of Orissa of the Marathas? Answer is option C, Alivardi Khan. Whose disciple was Saint Kabir? Answer is option D, Ramananda. Who among the following is considered the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? Answer is option D, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Which of the following organization was established outside India? Answer is option B, East India Association. What is the name of the second of the three concentric layers of the earth? Answer is option B, Seema mantle. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called blank at that place. Answer is option D, weather. In which of the following areas midnight sun is visible? Answer is option C, in Arctic area. According to Dr. Ambedkar, which article is the most important article of the Indian Constitution? Answer is option A, Article 32. On 10 April 2017, the Lok Sabha passed the Constitution 123rd Amendment Bill 2017. The bill seeks to give constitutional status to blank. Answer is option D, National Commission on Backward Classes. In which year were the railway budget and the general budget presented separately for the first time? Answer is option B, 1924. The basic unit of speed is? Answer is option A, meter per second. If the axis of rotation in a motion does not pass through the object, then the motion is called blank. Answer is option D, orbital motion. The oxygen molecule is blank. Answer is option B, diatomic. Blank of the species is a reflection of their evolutionary relationship. Answer is option C, classification. Salivary amylase breaks down into blank. Answer is option C, starch. Trypsin is present in which of the following? Answer is option D, pancreatic juice. Dhamek Stupa is situated at which of the following places? Answer is option D, Sarnath.